The revelation of the divine name to Moses in Exodus 3:14, I am that I am, is a controverted question. It's not even clear how this verse should be translated. It could be translated, I am who I was, or I will be who I will be, so that it's not even clear how to translate the verse. Thomas Aquinas classically interpreted this passage to mean that God is a metaphysically necessary being. He is self-existent. His essence is existence. And I think the consensus among contemporary Old Testament theologians would be that that's over-reading the verse. It's reading too much metaphysics into this ancient Hebrew narrative. Probably what it meant was that God is faithful. He is ever the same. He is an everlasting being who will be with Israel and who can be dependent upon. Now that could be taken to imply the eternality of God's being, which would be very significant, but it wouldn't go so far as to show his metaphysical necessity, that he exists in all possible worlds as a self-existent and necessary being.